thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 15 miles southwest of Frankfurt to 10 miles south of Crawfordsville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Never ever actually seen the unrecognized message.